Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Today's video, I am going to dip dye a flannel shirt in bleach solution and color remover on the others. Just like everybody else is doing with the Halloween shirts, spraying bleach on the black shirt over a cutout or something to give them a good design, I'm going a little bit farther. First, run them through the laundry system. The flannel shirts are done. Nothing but precise measurements from me. I filled 2 of these little spray bottles so that I could spray it on various places of the shirt if I wanted to. I guess I have it in, let's see, it's 8:14. I have it in maybe 2 inches or so. And then I'm gonna probably lower it. That's how much I have it in. Hoping that it'll be the widest, and then I'll probably go that. And all right, be back in a few minutes. Alrighty, it's been a minute. I'm going to lower it a little bit more. Bleach is tough on fabric. It eats holes in whatever it touches. So this is the armpit, and that's where I kind of felt like I would end and hope it maybe spreads a little because it's damp. I also am going to spray some of the water so there's dots that kind of end the bleaching effect. Okay, that's been in for 2 minutes. I'm gonna lower it to the armpits. These flannels are extra tall, so it kind of gives me more space to do this, but we'll just wear them as jackets. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out, lay it in my sink, and do the little spritz bottle along the edge, and I'm gonna rinse it with cold water. I am going to interrupt right here to tell you that I actually did this again. Towards the end, I do mention that I'm gonna soak it again, and I actually filled the pot again and just put about twice as much bleach in the same amount of water. I don't think the spray bottle affected it at all. There were no little drips. There wasn't a soft spray where it would end. I'm not going to recommend you skip this step if you do this, but maybe a better squirt bottle, I don't know. But I tried, just trying to tell you guys how my experience was. I do not recommend using bleach. Well, I just don't know. I'm gonna try it, see what happens. Crazy how it's kind of, is it orange? I don't know. Well, this is what it did. Needs more. That's not what I was expecting, but I work with what I got. Now I've put some actual drips on it. Ooh, this will be exciting. The drips have dried, everything is dried. And I just don't know. I guess I was expecting more. This is original color, original. And it gets tanner and tanner, and then it's almost orange. I don't know, I guess I thought more would happen. So what I'm gonna do, lay it out in the sink and do more bleach, less water. What have I got to lose? I am not exactly sure what I was thinking. I guess I thought it would dye it white or an off-white. I was not expecting orange, but I'm gonna run with it and make it a fall flannel. It looks pretty good, I think. Since this didn't really turn out the way I was expecting, I didn't do anything to the other two shirts. Wait! I'm gonna research this a little more. Something told me to buy color remover. I think I'm gonna order it. I am going to take my shirt. This is one of the other ones I got. And I got the color remover dye. And we're gonna give that a shot today. Hopefully it works. So I am going to, I buttoned up the shirt. I am going to try to gather it together and keep it very even. And I'm guessing, because I'm gonna dip this one from the bottom. So this hopefully will fade up. I think, or should I do the top? I don't know. I'm going to use half of my package so that I can do the other shirt too if this works out. I think I'm going to dip the bottom probably about halfway, so maybe somewhere around that line, which is just below the armpit or right at the armpit. Cheap shirts. So I have a rubber band. I'm going to scooch it all together as if you were tie-dyeing. So I put my rubber band right there. Now I don't remember if I said so or not, but these are extra tall, so they're extra long. I'm gonna try to remove the color down that far. Blah, 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 can't talk. I'm hoping that maybe it'll soak up a little through here and, like the tie-dye effect, kind of, I don't know, fade. They say to make sure it can move freely, and it can. So, 12:09. I'm going to actually let it sit for 20 minutes. Then you rinse it off with warm water. Rinse it out with warm water, gradually getting cooler. For me, it'll be 20 minutes. For you guys, it'll be a quarter of a second. It has been 20 minutes. Oh, yes. Something has happened here. It's turned a little yellow. It's removing the color. I wonder if I did it again, if it would remove more. I think I'm gonna just let it sit in here a little bit longer. What have I got to lose? I want to use the other half of the packet on the black and white shirt. Okay, I'll be back. It has been almost an hour. And although the water looks yellow, everything else looks much, much lighter. I think this is more like what I was originally looking for. Who would have known? Very kind of got a yellow hue. Alrighty, I'm going to rinse it out. First with the warmer water and then with cooler per the directions. Okay, this is much, much closer to what I was looking for. I left it in for almost an hour. And you see the fade? Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. After the bleach fail, I wondered, what am I doing wrong? I love it. So, I've taken the black one, put a rubber band on it, and this time I'm going to dip the top and leave the bottom. I don't know. I can't decide which one I like better. I like the bottom a different color. Maybe I'll just do that. I'm gonna just dip the bottom of the black one. I still have, right, it was full up to this line, packed in here, and it's still packed in here that much. I probably could do 2 more. Okay, the first 20 minutes is up. And again, the water is starting to turn yellow. I can't really see if the fabric is changing. It doesn't appear to be. It doesn't appear any lighter. So, another 20 minutes or maybe an hour like the last one. Throughout this whole process, I have tried to keep the water line right at that rubber band on both of the shirts. And I have dunked it probably up to here. So this is all pretty wet, but it's not sitting in it. So my hope is, again, it kind of gives it that fade effect. Okay, I've let it sit twice as long as recommended, almost an hour. It really, I don't see a big change. I don't see hardly a change at all. Maybe the whites are a little wider. So I think I'm going to dump this pot of this and just make another one and soak it again. It is 2:10, going for round 2 with a brand new clean set of water. We'll see if it makes a difference. The package does say darker colors are harder, so we're gonna put that to a test. Stick around. Okay, it has been in twice as long as it is recommended. 2 separate times. So, we got some tan. This, I don't hate it. I was not expecting tan. It's very different. I bet no one else has one of these. I wish I could get the fade on just a little bit more. It was wet up to the pockets, but unless it sits in it, and especially the black. Again, I don't hate it. Let's try it. Time for the final reveal. This is the first shirt that I used bleach on. I do not recommend using bleach. It does make it a nice autumn color, though. Leave me a comment telling me which one of these is your favorite. Is it the black and tan? Is it the black and orange? Or is it the green and off-white? What did you think of this project? Was it a little bit out there? Not that much out there? Are you gonna try it? I'd love to know. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.